Two RAF FGR4 Typhoons from No. 9 Bomber Squadron, RAF Lossiemouth, joined up with RAF Voyager air-to-air refueling aircraft from RAF Brize Norton, north of Portugal. In the meantime, two F-16s from the Portuguese Air Force, who departed from Air Base 5 Monte Real in Portugal, will be joining up with the RAF Typhoons to conduct joint training exercises. The Typhoons will be receiving fuel from a refueling pod located underneath each wing, allowing two fighter aircraft to be refueled at the same time. Fuel is offloaded from the Voyager's standard wing and fuselage tanks, leaving the cabin free for up to 291 personnel and the hold available for freight. A Typhoon would typically take around 5 minutes to refuel its 1,000 litre capacity tank. The Voyager itself is capable of delivering around 60,000 litres of fuel during 5 hours on station. Assuming the aircraft is 500 nautical miles from base, this would leave the aircraft with around 50,000 litres for the Voyager to complete its flight operations. The F-16A MLU fighter pilots from the 201 Fighter Squadron Falcons and the 301 Fighter Squadron Jaguars will be practicing joint air integration training with the RAF pilots of the skies of Portugal as part of an enhanced vigilance activity patrol. After the training exercises, the F-16s returned to their base at Monte Real, while the Voyager and Typhoons headed back to the UK.